Hello, here we have Android OpenFrame. This means that the housing of the screen has strips, so you can easily build it in your own display. These Android screens can come with touchscreen or without touchscreen. The Android also has LAN and Wi-Fi, and optionally we can also provide an internal 4G module. Touch the screen. It is a capacitive touchscreen. We can provide it in any kind of sizes, like a 7-inch or a 10-inch, 15-inch, or also much bigger, 18.5-inch, 21-inch, 27-inch, 32-inch, 43-inch, 55-inch. You can install your own online CMS system on it as well, or you just play your own APK on it to show digital signage or use it as a kiosk. Well, that's it. Thank you for watching.